Oh, hey guys. Sorry. Going through some mail. Took a break from doing some stuff out here in the shop. Started going through some of my mail. Decided it's donut time. Wonder why. I don't know. Strange craving. But anyways. Clean the chocolate off my fingers from the donut. Let's go through this mail since you guys are here. So, first one here. This is from DRH, Small Engine Service. Really great guy. I got the sticker up on the board at work, so I don't have his sticker actually here. So please go out, check him out. And then let's do another one here. This is from Mr. Henry Murawski. I know I butchered that, Henry. I'm sorry very much. But he sent me a couple stickers here. Got the big dog lawnmower there. You know, it's the big dog dad lawn enforcement officer. Very cool guy. Thank you very much for sending that. And I know it's been 5-6 months since some of this stuff has come to me. But it's just been hectic. I'm sorry. I feel bad because I don't have return stickers to send out right now. But we'll get them. We'll get them coming and everything. So the next one is from Rick's Mowers. This is from across the pond. You guys can see there. You know, special delivery. Mr. Rick's Mowers there. Appreciate that, Rick. Thank you very much for sending that to me. And then finally, I think this is why I had the craving for the donut. You know, we got a bunch of stickers in here. And I think this is why I had the craving. I am now officially an honorary donut deputy. So I appreciate that. You know, we got that one there. And then a couple other ones here. Got that one. And one of the coolest ones. It's iridescent. We like that. So, yeah. All great guys. All great channels. Please, guys. I'll put links down in the description. Please go check them out. Show them some support. Show them some love. I think I have one of the best communities, you know, going here. I mean, everybody I'm friends with, all the other creators I'm friends with, they all have great communities. We kind of intermix, you know, communities and stuff. But these guys, you know, let's go over there. I mean, my community has, you know, graced me with over 1,700 subscribers. So please, guys, go over and sub to these guys too. I really appreciate it. Let's get them up there. Let's get them views. Let's get them some subscribers and stuff. Show them the love. You guys show me love over the last couple years. Please, go show these guys love. They all deserve it. A lot of times I don't feel like I deserve it. I'm one of my hardest critics, I guess. But aren't we all hard on ourselves and stuff? So please, like I said, again, go subscribe to these guys. Give them love. Show them the love that you showed me. So that'll be it for the mail call. Put this stuff off to the side here so I don't lose anything. And also, I mean, if you guys are in my live streams and you see somebody new, channel that you're not subscribed to, please go subscribe to them. You know, let's grow this whole, all the creators, you know, all the small engine guys, everybody from across the pond here in the United States, Canada. Please, you know, go subscribe to them all. Show them all love. They all do great work. I watch a lot of their videos and stuff that help me out, even though I've been doing this a long time. I get a lot of good information from these guys. So, all right, I'm babbling. I'm gonna put my donuts back up over there. So, let's do a little project update while we're here. Last video I showed you guys how to upgrade the oil pump in the Kohler commands. It works for stock motors and the high performance motors, pulling engines and stuff. Just some good insurance, you know, so you don't You know, these motors are getting old. Just some good insurance to, you know, show that, you know, make sure they keep running a long time. Keep them around. These are good engines. So, video coming up. I'm going to be installing the oil pump. We're going to be working on Mark's motor, which is like right back here behind me, covered up. We're going to be, like I said, reinstalling that oil pump, getting it put in, getting this closure plate put on, and then we're going to start on the ignition system, getting that all hooked up and set up, and then hopefully doing the intake and carburetor, going through the valves and stuff again, and making sure that those are all ready, and hopefully we'll get a test fire out of it. There are still a couple parts that we need to get. Like I said before, I don't know whether we're going to use the custom intake we had made. There's some flaws with that we're not real happy with, but yeah, get the intake carburetor put on it, and then the coil for the ignition, get that put on, and it should be ready to fire up. Just a couple of things. Flywheel, got to put the flywheel on it. I think Mark still has it at his place. He didn't bring it over, but we'll get that. We'll get that on there. My Cub Cadet 1200. I kind of put that off on a back burner. Haven't been working on that. That clutch setup. I did get that Craftsman mower that gentleman brought to me because of the exhaust leak and stuff, and he ended up donating it, giving it to me. I've been using that this summer. It's a beautiful tractor. The clutch in the 1200. I'm debating whether I have an extra pulling clutch. It's like a stock setup clutch, just a little heavier spring and stuff, better driver, better pressure plates. I'm debating whether to put that in there. It's got a better throwout arm also. I'm debating whether to put that in there. I don't have a need for that clutch. I'm not building a single cylinder anytime in the near future. If I do, I would probably just buy a new setup for it. But it'll be perfectly good for a stock lawn mowing tractor. It's actually a little overkill, but whatever. It is what it is. It's free. I've got it here, you know, ready to use. So I may put that in there. As for the Craftsman, once I get the clutch and stuff done in the Sears, or I'm sorry, the clutch and stuff done in the Cub Cadet, the 1200, that'll go back to being my primary mowing tractor, and then I'll probably work on that Craftsman a little bit and get it out here and sell it in the spring, kind of flip it, make a little money. I used it all summer for free, didn't cost me a dime. I'll put a few bucks into it, maybe some new front tires, excuse me, clean it up a little bit, and get it going, and or it's not get it going, it's going, it's running great. But just do a full service on it, touch up a few little things, and flip it for some little extra cash. Put towards another project. Another project. Oh, the Cushman golf cart. I did put the dump bed on it. Basically it's just two bolts that hold it on, keeps it from, or makes it dump. One bolt keeps it from tipping back. I did get the power dump actuator for it, so that'll probably be coming in. Get that put on, show you guys how to do, you know, what I'm going to do with that. I still need to need to find some coilover shocks that I'm happy with. The ones that I used to use on golf carts were actually off of a Mustang. They were Monroe shocks. They no longer make those shocks, so I don't want to use just a regular golf cart coilover spring. I don't think they'll be heavy enough for my liking for what I want for this thing. So I'm going to search eBay and Amazon and see if I can find a set of those. They do need to be the ones that have the threaded rod at the top and bottom, not the T at the top, thread at the bottom, or vice versa. Just because that's how I want to put them on. I just want to draw a single hole, mount them up. I think I got a line on some 23-inch tall tires for it, knobby tires, at least 2 of them, possibly 4. I gotta check with the guy again to make sure he has 4. I know he said he does have 2, but I want to put a little taller tire on it, make it, you know, sit a little higher off the ground, make it more post-apocalyptic looking, like, you know, because the thing looks like it's a beast anyways. So So yeah, that's the you know, kind of side burner projects I got going on. Of course, Plan B sitting over here ready to pull. Possibly this weekend if it doesn't rain. I got a couple other things going on, but I think I'm going to try to go this weekend, Sunday. If not, the following weekend I believe there is a steam show in Cadiz, Ohio. The Stumptown Steam Show. I will definitely be going down for that. That's a night pull, so I will clear my schedule to make sure I can get down there to do that. Also, I've got a couple repairs on my personal truck, my S-Box, my old 2000 Silverado. I got to put a tie rod end on it, possibly a wheel bearing. I haven't checked into that or diagnosed that completely, but I do know I got one tie rod end that's a little sloppy. I can feel it a little bit. Excuse me. So that'll probably be a video coming up too. If there's anything you guys have seen on the channel that you want more information on, please drop me an email, leave me a comment. Bring it back to my memory. I get absent-minded sometimes. I'm kind of like ooh, a squirrel. So anyways, thank you all for stopping, checking out the mail call, checking out the project updates, what's coming up on the channel and stuff. And again, I want to thank everybody. The channel is it's growing every month. We're getting 60 to 80 new subscribers a month. I duly appreciate it. I love that. Kind of a personal goal of mine. I never really put it out there. I'd like to have 2,000 subs by New Year's. Tentatively right now I am planning on having another New Year's Eve party, the online party with the giveaway and stuff. If we could hit the 2,000 mark, right close to that, that would be awesome. That would be like I said, a definitely personal goal for mine. Yeah. So I've babbled enough, guys. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button. Hopefully you like this video. Leave me a comment, please. Leave me a comment. I do read them all. I like reading them all. And share the channel out, please. Let's grow it. Let's grow the community. Let's help some of these other small channels, grow them too. All great guys. Haven't met one bad person in the small engine community here. From anybody from across the pond, Mixed Mowers, all them guys. Roy's the boy. Ken's Small Engine Repair. Twisted V-Twin Garage. Go-Kart's going fishing. He's kind of on sabbatical for the summer. He lives in Florida. Gets extremely hot down there. He can't, he works outside all day. We understand that. We love you, brother. Please, we're looking forward to you coming back in the fall there. I've seen you put a couple videos out here recently. Hopefully things are going to cool down there for you and we can get back to getting some of your videos. I'm missing a ton of people. I watch so many channels. Zippo, watch Zippo, great guy, wealth of knowledge in that man. The Rusty Rooster, check him out, he's a wealth of knowledge. The Mower Medic, great guy there, another wealth of knowledge. Donnie Boy, the Small Engine Saloon, go check them guys out. I am so, it's been a long week here, boys. Like I said, I'm missing so many great channels, but anyways, I'm babbling enough. This is about 14 minutes long or something like that. I'll have to edit it down, but please, like, comment, subscribe, share it out. Go visit all them other channels. Look at my homepage. I got a whole list of guys on there, channels on there. I'm constantly adding people to that to help promote their channels. That's what I started my channel out to do. Some small engine stuff, show you what I do here in the garage, but I love supporting other channels. They've supported me. I love supporting them back. So alright guys, thanks a lot, take it easy, and we'll catch you on the next one. Don't forget my cooking videos. Good eats. Alright, we're out of here. Thanks for stopping.